In this video series, I will show you how to use Google Forms to collect and organize information. Google Forms is a free and responsive app that allows you to get answers fast. Responsive means that it can be used on multiple device types of various screen sizes. It can help with managing event registrations, conducting a poll, collecting email addresses, pop quizzes, and much more. You can even style your forms with your own logo, photos, colors, or even videos. To give you an idea of how you might be able to use Google Forms, I'll show you a few examples of how I've used them in my classroom. Here is an interactive activity I created for my students covering concept of future technology. Students were presented with several different videos that were embedded into the form, and following each video, students were required to answer thought-provoking questions and provide feedback on what they thought about these future technology devices. Another idea, I have a quiz here that was created for my students covering computer networks. This was created to gauge their understanding of a prior day's lesson. Any feedback that is received or any responses received on your Google Forms will actually automatically be stored in a Google spreadsheet in your Google Drive. Here's another example based on an interactive review that was created for my students. They actually enjoyed doing this one together as a class rather than independently. This one actually uses different page types, so that way when students choose their answer, the answer chosen determines which page they go to. So therefore, if I were to choose an incorrect answer, I may get feedback telling me that my answer is incorrect, and I would then be provided with some examples of what would be correct. And if these students answered correctly, then in that case they are taken to a different page where the feedback received is actually something different. I actually have videos in some of the feedback responses. Responses that were received from students are saved in a Google spreadsheet on your Google Drive with the same name as the assignment, following the word responses. And here's an idea of what that would look like. You can even use an add-on that will actually automatically grade the quizzes for you based on the answer key that you provide. And we will cover that in another video. In the next video, I will go over with you how to actually create a basic survey using Google Forms. See you in the next video.